Ring Doorbell will now alert you on your Echo devices if someone rings the doorbell or it gets a motion alert. If you have an Echo Show, you can answer the doorbell and see and speak to the person on the other end. I'm going to show you how that works, but first I want to say hi, my name is Craig. Here I do tech tips and reviews along with the weekly Echo series. Check out the description, I'll put links in there to the Echo so you can learn more about them. Also links for the new devices that are coming out soon. I've changed the name of my device to Computer, that way I don't trigger your device at home and nobody gets frustrated. Also, this is the second video of week number 40. I'm trying to get these new features out so you can start utilizing them. Echo announced last week that there are a bunch of new devices coming out. They also announced a bunch of new features. So this is one of the ones that if you own a Ring Doorbell, you definitely want to start using. Before you had to rely on using your cell phone to answer alerts or buy the external Chime so that you could hear it when the doorbell rings. Now if you have Echoes, you'll get the alert through all your devices. These are not newer devices, but they will all receive an alert. Unfortunately, at this time, you're not able to use the Echo Dot or regular Echo to answer an alert and speak to the person on the other end. So you do need a show to actually communicate and see what's going on. So let's take a look at setting this up. The first thing you're going to need to do to start utilizing this feature is to grab your mobile device, open up the Alexa app, go under your smart devices, and you'll need the updated software. The updated software looks like this. When you press the little icon that looks like a home, it takes you to this screen here. You'll scroll over to your right to all devices. Look for your doorbell. Here I have my front door. I'll click on that and you'll see that there's an announcement option for doorbell press and for motion. You want to make sure both of those items are on. Once those items are on, you can exit the app now and you're ready to go for when you do get a motion alert. So let's look at a motion alert first.
Motion detected at the front door.
Computer, show me the front door.
Okay.
Oh, it's my little ones out there. Hey ladies, come inside. Computer, stop. Pretty cool. That was just a motion alert. Next we're going to try.
Motion detected at the front door.
Pretty cool. All my devices are making noise. Let's look at a ring.
Someone is at the front door.
Computer, show me the front door.
Motion detected at the front door. Okay.
Hello?
Hi.
Hey, how you guys doing? Come on in. Computer, go home. Those were my lovely daughters helping me out in this demonstration. Now you can see who's there. You hit the little microphone to speak to them. They hear you, you hear them. No more having to reach for that cell phone to communicate. That's a look at using Ring with your Echo devices. I think it's a great benefit when you have an Echo Show. Even for something like an Echo Dot, just to be able to hear it alert you when there is motion is great. If you're upstairs, like in our house, we can look out the window and see if somebody's there, what that motion is. It's a nice extra layer of security. This feature also is supposed to work with August doorbells too. I don't have one, so I just have the Ring doorbell to demonstrate this. Let me know your thoughts. Are you a Ring doorbell or August doorbell owner and excited to see this come to the Echo devices? Or are you more likely to buy one of these doorbells in order to use it with your Echo devices? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't, please consider subscribing and click that bell to be notified of the next video. If you'd like to help support the channel, click the Amazon link in the description, bookmark it, use it, and Amazon will kick us back a little. I appreciate you watching this. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.